Hello guys, welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the name of your YouTube channel. To change your YouTube channel name, what you have to do is you have to go to your YouTube account. I'm going to my YouTube account. Okay, now we are in my YouTube account, and then you have to go to your YouTube studio. So I'm going to YouTube studio here, create a studio, click on that. Okay, now I am in the my channel dashboard. Then what you have to do is you have to go again to customization. Here it's kind of the pencil or like that. Anyway, customization, and click on that. Then you will see layout, branding, basic info, like that, 3 options. And to change your channel name you have to go to the basic info, click on that. Then you will see your channel name here and click on it, and now you can change your channel name as you wish. And here I'm going to change it like this, Recomo Kids for everyone. Okay, and also if you want to change your channel handle, and you can do it also here. Okay, you can change the number, or you can use another name for this. You can use as you wish. Okay, after changing your channel name, then you can hit publish. Okay, change published, go to channel. Okay, let's move to dashboard. Right, as you can see, now we have changed our name. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something and you learned the way to change your channel name. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.